Now let's have another example. In this example, we would like to get the overall transfer function of this block diagram using the block diagram reduction rules. So let's start. The first step, look for the easiest thing, okay? Okay, I will look for the easiest thing. I see that these two are very easy. G1 going to G4, it means that their equivalent is G1, G4, right? Okay. What about these two? You can see that we have here an input, let's say U. So, and this is addition, okay? This means addition. So U multiplied by G3, giving us U G3, and U multiplied by G2, so U G2. And when we add them together, we will have U G3 plus G2, which means the equivalent of these two parallel paths will be their summation, G3, G2. Okay? So you can see G1, G4, and these became their summation. Nice. What can you do next? We can take, you can see that we have any input here, let's say call it X, for example, plus, and you can see this part only. We have a negative feedback where this part is G and this part is our H. So their equivalent will be G over 1 plus GH. So G will be G1, G4, 1 plus G1, G4, multiplied by our H, which is H1. Okay? So the equivalent of this block will be this one. Let's look at it like this. G1, G4 over 1 plus G1, G4, H1. Okay? And series with this block, G3 plus G2, and H2 is a feedback. Nice. Now you can see easily that these two are series with each other, right? So their equivalent is their product. So it will be 1 plus H1 G1 G4 multiplied by G1 G4 here multiplied by this block. Okay? Like this. Nice. Now we need this equivalent circuit. Now you can see again this one is G and this one is H, and this is a negative feedback. So their equivalent will be again G over 1 plus GH, right? Okay. G is this part, which is G3 plus G2, G1, G4 divided by 1 plus H1, G1, G4, okay, divided by 1 plus GH. This H1, G1, G4 multiplied by H2, right? So if you take this down here, we will have, let's type it here in this small area, G3 plus G2, this numerator part, okay, divided by 1 plus, take this multiplied by here, so it will be this multiplied by 1, okay, and this multiplied by the second factor. So this multiplied by this will go with this, so we will have this part only. So it will be plus G3 plus G2, G1, G4 multiplied by H2. Okay, you can write it step by step, okay? So find here G3, G2, G1, G4, 1 plus H2 as you can see here, multiplied by all of this, as you can see, plus H1, G1, G4. So this representing the equivalent, a block diagram of this whole system. So I hope you now understand the meaning of block diagrams and how can we reduce them.